Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a Henry Margu wig called Farrah in the color 27GR. So this is a highlighted color with a gradient root. Let me go. So in this same shoot, I also reviewed the Audrey by Renee of Paris, and I gotta tell you, this is a super similar cut to the Audrey. It's got very similar layering. Very similar in the back, it's got a very similar front, but this one just has more posh cap features. So if you like the Audrey by Renee of Paris and you're looking to upgrade, Farrah has got you covered. So let's talk some specs. This one weighs 2.35 ounces. It's really nice and lightweight. The bang is 5.5 inches. It's meant to be swept off to the side. The nape is 2.5. I'll show you when I turn around in a moment. The top down is 3.5, the sides are 4.5 to 6.5 because it's so layered, and the overall length is supposedly 9 inches, but you know, take that from the crown down and not from the nape down, because I mean, check this out, it's obviously not 9 inches at the nape, right? Okay, cool. As long as we got that misunderstanding out of the way. So let me go ahead and show you what Farrah looks like all the way around. So yeah, let me show you the lace front on this one, since I went ahead and showed you the mono top. So you can see the lace front's a little thicker than what you get with like the John Renault line or something like that, but still really nice contour here in the front, and the knots are still really nice and small. All right, well, since I've showed you all that, let's check out some of these layers, because Farrah is a heavily layered little wig. Super easy to wear, especially once you wear her for a couple days and she kind of stretches out. I don't think this one is super tight on either. I think this one's really comfortable. The fiber feels really nice. Super, super cute. I love this color. I'm gonna go ahead and take Farrah off now so I can show you what the interior of the cap looks like. I know there are a lot of mixed opinions out there about the Henry Margu permateased wigs, but I will say that I really love their Naturally Yours collection wigs. I really like their monofilament features. I love their lace fronts. I just think they have really nice cap construction on these wigs. So open on the sides and in the back, we have an extended nape, but only a little band of felt here at the nape. That's for the Velcro adjusters. The rest of it's open. And then the ear tabs have nice fuzzy felt on them. The great thing about this lace front is that it goes ear tab to ear tab instead of temple to temple alone. So it's a little bit of a longer lace front, which gives you a little bit extra coverage there. And there's no permatease in this wig. I mean, I'm just going to double check, make sure I didn't just make something up. No, they do that thing that a lot of manufacturers do at the crown. We're right at that, the weft in between the, okay, so here where the mono top ends, there's a seam, and they put a weft in there. On the underside of that weft, they've got little baby hairs that stick up, but the rest of the hair just sort of falls on top of it. I think we've all seen that. If you've ever had like a mono top wig, a lot of manufacturers do that sort of thing. But it doesn't add a bunch of volume at the crown, so there's no bump it or anything like that sticking up. So there you have it. This is the cute little Farrah by Henry Margu in the color 27GR. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you for checking out my videos. If you like what I do here, be sure to check out my wig store if you get a chance. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, also known as CysterWigs. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.